'cause I'm working on my energy. Cleaning up, I'm taking care of myself. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you are new here, hello, I'm Subrena. If you are not new to this, make sure you're subscribed and don't forget to thumbs up this video to say hi. Hey y'all, so today I'm here with another wig install, and as you can see, your girl tried out some color today. So I'm trying out this curly shaggy wig in like this really nice like reddish highlight color. So let's get into it. First and foremost, definitely want to give a huge shout out to Gorgius for sponsoring today's video. So again, this is from Gorgius Wigs. This is my second time reviewing hair from them. They have great quality wigs, and I am reviewing another curly bang wig. Again, I wanted to try out some color. So this is what the wig looks like fresh out the box. This is the cap construction. It's a full cap, no lace, no melting, no blending, none of that. It has 3 combs, 2 on the sides, 1 in the back, and it does come with a band already attached to it. So in your package, obviously you do get a goodie bag from Gorgius as well with all of your wig essentials. So I'm going to go ahead and grab my whip cap, go ahead and secure my hair down, make sure it's nice and flat. And we're also going to stretch that out because I get headaches. I don't know about you guys, but I get headaches with these things. So once everything is nice and tucked away, we're going to go ahead and apply our wig. This wig is so easy to install because, again, there's no lace, so you don't have to worry about blending or melting anything into your forehead, anything like that. You don't have to worry about blending your natural hair. So again, if you want to experiment with color, definitely go for a full-blown wig like this because you'll definitely be able to see the color on you and you won't have to worry about blending your hair. Right now I look a little bit crazy, but we're gonna go ahead and get into styling this wig. So I'm just using some setting mousse and I'm gonna go ahead and liven up these curls. They're a little bit smushed from the packaging, and then you guys will see the final result. So this hair is super soft. As you can see, the curling texture is a little bit more lax. I would have liked if it was like a little bit curlier, you know, a little bit more on the kinkier side. But either way, the end result came out really cute. I did like the look, and the color was really cute too. I was a little bit scared. I was a little bit scared at first, but the color actually ended up working out in the end. And as you can see, the curls definitely come to life once you put some mousse in it and scrunch it up. But I really like this wig. It was very quick to install, no fuss, no hassle, throw on and go wig. You definitely cannot go wrong. Perfect for, you know, just a quick day out, anything. So yeah, make sure you definitely check the description box. It will have all the links in any coupon code that I have for you guys to help you save some money. Definitely thumbs up this video if you like the finished look, and I will see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.